So now we start to prepare it. First, we add our ginger. And also our galangal. It looks so same everyone, but it galangal and also ginger. Then leg of kitchen. And also pork. So now we start to fry some ingredients. First we add oil. Garlic. We mash it until it is to be red. Sugar. Add some cheese. Add some a little bit soy sauce, fish sauce, a little bit salt, pepper, add water, so now we add our ingredient on our kitchen of leg and also pork like this. And then we cook it maybe 30 minutes more. Add some water on it. And then continue to cook maybe 10 minutes more. Wow, it looks like so yummy everyone. Now it's already cooked and we can eat. Eat with me everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.